new shipment in. Which is about to work out. It's delivered. I should have grabbed the knife, so. We'll get in here. Ram rack. Super, super tight. One more. All right. Let's see what we got here. I'm surprised. 3 in here. Alright, when I take them out, I'm going to try them on as well. So, got some shoes. Those to the side. Oh, she stuffed these in here. More shoes. Put that to the side. We gotta open everything up. SpongeBob. Oh, woo! Who is this, guys? Who is this? Let's open her up. Okay. Thought the pony should be like more to the side. But we'll work on that. It's like going to the back. But I like how she looks. Okay. Here we have Hello Kitty. Her to the side. Here's her head. Gonna open it up. Okay, we got our shoes here. I'll read that in a second. Just unfold everything because it's been condensed for packing. Miss Racheal's get up. I think I'll put her on first. Piece of SpongeBob. Put that over here. Miss Racheal outfit. Or no, these are SpongeBob pants. No, Hello Kitty. I got too many things in here. Oh, okay. She went with these type of arms. We'll see how that work out. Yeah. I haven't had him in so long. So I decided to get it again. Mr. Bikini Bottom. It's an oldie but goodie. I need to open it up. we'll put him to the side. Only thing that's left is a shoe and one shoe for Miss Racheal and one shoe for Hello Kitty. Alright, so now I'm going to put all of them on and show you. Alright, let's get this big SpongeBob away. We'll do SpongeBob first. This is right here. Let's see. Got a little ankle. Okay. I'm pretty tall. I'm almost 5'8". So the knee things will work. Let's put these shoes on. All right. Halfway there. See it? All right. Put my hands in here. You like it? All right. So this is a go. This is a good one. And if you ever want to know what it looks like inside, it's all styrofoam. So, all right, cool. SpongeBob is back on the roster. Let's take this off. Lost my sock. Socks coming right off. All right, we'll put SpongeBob to the side. Let's do Miss Racheal next. Okay, she has a shirt, overalls, and some shoes. So what I'll do, I'll put some white gloves over these.